Come on, woman. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. We are about to go and look at a come on, man. So we are about to go and look at a Mark IV right quick and take some parts off. I think it has a rear lip on it and a muffler. So we're about to go check it out. There are any more parts on it that we can take. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. So we just left from getting the parts. We got some door panels and some more things. I'll show you guys when we get home, but yeah, gotta get some food first. So just made it back home. I also ended up getting the front passenger door panel and both of the rear driver and passenger door panels, and I also got the GLI rear lip. So yeah, see, this one comes out with the exhaust cut out for it. So that rear lip needs to go on there. That's going to look really dope. And then both of these door panels need to go on. So that's it. See, the front passenger one has the black and tan one, and I want to put on the all black one just like that door panel is. So now we have all of the black door panels, and then we got the carpet that is getting painted, the front black seat, the front seats that are already black, and then we just need all we need is the rear back seats that are black, and then all the interior will be done. So it's getting late, so I will probably put all this on in the morning and clean the rug. So I will catch you guys in the morning. So all of these parts came off of a GLI too, if you guys, anybody was curious. These door panels and this rear, the rear lip all came off a GLI. So now let's start with these door panels. We got to get 3 door panels off, so let's get started. So this shouldn't be too complicated. If you see right there at the bottom, there are 2 screws. I think they're T25s, and then I think there's 1 screw right behind here. So after that, the door panel comes right off. And then to pretty much get this off, you just peel right up under this, pops right off, like that. And then those inside of here are just regular screwdrivers. Pull the door panel off. Pretty much just pull it off from there. And then plugs on the back side, then the latch for the door, and the locking mechanism. And just like that, that door panel is off. Let's put this one on. And you know, I realized that this one doesn't have the locking door on there. So I'll probably just pull it off of this one. So yeah, I'll just take this one, and then we'll put this one inside of this door, like so. And I also transferred all the little door attachments too. So yeah, I got all of those in too. So perfect. And just like that, that door panel is in. So now we have 1 all black door panel, 2 all black door panels, and we got 2 more to put on. So now, oh, that one's already falling off. So perfect. Let's just take that off, and then now we gotta do this door panel. I've been wanting all that out of my car for so long now. Just that tan and black interior. I do not like that. I'm not a fan of that. But having the all black interior in now, and my doors even open so much better now. It's crazy. Just fixing that door panel, they open and close so much easier. It's crazy. But that door panel is fixed. Everything is, all the door panels are on now. So now let's move to this rear lip. I kind of want to paint it black. I don't want to do it just yet, but I kind of want to paint it, just paint it all black. I might have some trim paint laying around that I can just hit it with, but I need to pull that rear lip off and put that one on. And yeah, I don't know. I said screw it. I had a little bit of trim paint laying around, so I just started spraying it. This is how it used to look before, and that's how it's starting to look now. So yeah, I just said screw it. So I just drop a little trim paint on that. So while we sit here and let this dry, let's go ahead and pull off this rear lip. I don't think it's that hard to pull off. I think it's just some clips that you just pop right off. So yeah, I think it's literally just some clips that pull. Just a quick comparison right quick on the lips. You see how this one has the exhaust cutout right here and this one does not. So yeah, that is the difference in between them, and this is the GLI one versus the Mark IV one. This is the basic GLX Mark IV one. So yeah, there we have it. So now let's just wait for this one to dry and then we can put it back on the car. Well, on the car. But I would say that was another really good find. The GLI rear lip and then the GLI black door panels. The GLI black door panels. So yeah, the car is coming along really good now. So now we need to get the carpet cleaned and painted. The seats need to go back in, and we still need to find the rear seats. The rear seats is the hardest seats to find, man, because everybody has them, but they're all busted and beat up and ate up, kind of just like mine were. So it's kind of hard to find those rear seats. But as far as black interior goes, all we're missing is those back seats. And once we get those back seats, she will be all black on the inside with the add-ons that I'm adding on to the new colors. So yeah, I have these door pieces too. I know I pulled them off of that car. I wonder if they're in my truck. My girl has the truck right now, but I wonder if they're in that truck. I bet you they are, because I know I pulled them off of that car. Oh, look how easy the door shuts. Imagine that. But guys,